How to add Omny Card to Apple Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add Omny Card to Apple Wallet. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to add Omny Card to your Apple Wallet, first of all, you need to open up your Apple device, your iPhone. After that, go to the main settings. After heading over to the main settings, just scroll down a bit until you are able to find the option called Wallet and Apple Pay. After reaching there, you just need to head over to, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be finding Add Card option. You just need to simply tap on that Add Card option and you'll be taken to another page where you can add your wallet or your cards. So here are two options, debit or credit card and travel card. You're going to click the option called travel card, and there you'll be finding different kind of options of travel card. So here you're just going to look over the option called Omny Card if that card is available in your region. If that is available, you just need to search for Omny. Right now, I don't have that, which means it is not available right now. But if that card is available in any other region, you should be able to find that card when you search for it. After that, just add the card into your Apple Wallet, and that basically should do it. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to add Omny Card to Apple Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.